Yeah, be cool, just move with the groove. Won't funk in here, the beat way too smooth. Yeah, they are.
Welcome to my hood.
Let's go.
With a horn.
Remix.
With a horn.
Remix.
With a horn.
Remix.
Welcome to my hood. Everybody know everybody. And if I got it, everybody got it on. Welcome to my hood. Look at all these old school 724. So you know we roll heavy on. Welcome to my hood. Where they get down like a G6 and everybody know this is the remix. Welcome to my hood.
Miami Dade County, 305. We the best music.
Everybody on the corner with the work, slanging and banging in front of that liquor store. Blowing money cause I live life fast, so this bottle full of yak, I'ma sip this slow. Singles, double, and triple beams take over. Now holla cause these Impalas got extreme makeovers. Couches covered in plastic, babies all in the street now. Wear the wrong color, catch a Rodney King beat down. Kids hit with switches, mamas is quoting scriptures, while looters getting head, more gums than baby pictures. Cock my 40 Glock and my partner just bought a replica. Now Asians saying they don't keep no cash in they register. We run from red and blue lights to get the green, but whoever got that white is winning like Charlie Sheen.
Batman, next shot, boom, 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 boom. Man, we the best, never the last, and never get a hot fire, flame. Put me on the track and I'ma really let a motherfucker feel it when I do it, I'ma do it what I do. If a nigga really wanna dance, come and dance, you can bet that I'ma eat him all day. 850, but I represent, tell the whole floor the president. Me and DJ Khaled got these haters looking hesitant. So keep all of that whackness out my ear. That's the sound of your career in my hood.
Come on. I came to bring the pain, more hard to the brain. I'm busting that ass again. I burn like acid rain, that acid flame. These niggas trying to see how I come ash your game. Ain't it evident I'm heading in? Smack for president, be in hell with gasoline George just for the hell of it. And I ain't delicate, blows hot, this kettle get napped. You ain't fucking with that, you must be celibate. Spaz, just a little, got a sack, we can sizzle a little hash in the middle. Where that? In the middle, yup. Mommy, if you got a fat ass, make it jiggle, yup. Put it in my next video shot by Little X. Sending me up, gon' work till there ain't any left. I'm trying to get what I'm worth and not a penny less. Ain't bad. Come on, bank cash. Come on, everybody do it with your stank ass. Make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody. Make you wanna step to the bar, sip Bacardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on, Shaolin, come on, Queensbridge down to Long Island, come on, Bronx nigga, come on, Manhattan, come on, each and every hood, what's happening? Come on, yeah. Real talk, nigga.
Hey, yo,
Come
Matt,
on, boss.
let me get at these niggas.
Yeah.
Yo, now watch me back your shit up. I hope you people pull up and pick up and pack your shit up. Homie, it's time to move. While I'm seeing right through you, let me relieve you with all of your figures. See the streets and never believe in you niggas. Come on, go ahead and babble. You can watch me patiently wait and aim and attack you. Instead, I'ma let one of my bitches slap you. I invite you and your niggas to try it and feel the wrath of the unruly awakening of a sleeping giant. Very defiant. Once I give you the pressure and then I apply it, and then you're breathing and stop it totally quiet. Captain in the ship, so call me the pilot. I'll leave you when your crew will collide on me diet. Stop on a nigga. Just like a herd of 1,000 cattle that'll travel over your face and frazzle your shit. Chop you worse than a brick and then we torture you and then get to reppin' and get to steppin', nigga. This shit'll make you rob somebody, grab somebody, stomp somebody, slap somebody, make you wanna step to the bar and sip a Cardi. Wild out, spaz in the club, we in the party. Brooklyn, come on, Charlotte, come on, Queensbridge down to Long Island, come on, Bronx nigga, come on, Manhattan, come on, to each and every hood, what's happening, come on.
Truthfully,
Come
my
on,
nigga.
niggas, listen, let me talk. Can't you see what I got for you now? Shake a big fat ass in front of me now. To all my high hitters, to all my live niggas, we hit a blackout, follow the story now. Just feel my heat, and you know I'm gonna just keep it street, my nigga, cause you know when you're about to lose it, my nigga, and you know we gon' get real stupid. My nigga, see the police coming, fireman coming, street niggas ready to ride and start dumbing. I love to see it whenever you and your man frontin'. Me and Memphis step to you and smash something.
Now who is here? Yo, MC, killing these cowards. Whack niggas get pimp slapped. Give me some powder. Click clack, run in your back. Now think about it. Get back, run in your gap. I can't allow
Whatever,
it.
niggas.
Set it off.
You know we seeing it through, God. This street be needing niggas like me and you, God.
Hey, yo.
I think when I'm seeing from here, we got them wildin', yo. Logical, we shoulda did this shit a long time
I
ago.
got that shit that make rappers shit in they shoes. Nasty MC. I spit flows and spit in they food. Man, don't tempt me. I'm nothing like a curious child. I'm simply a boy in the hood with furious
This shit'll make you rob somebody,
grab somebody,
stomp somebody,
slap somebody,
make you wanna step to the bar and sip a Cardi.
wild out spaz in the club, we in the party.
Brooklyn, come on,
Charlotte,
come on,
Queensbridge down to Long Island,
come on, Bronx nigga, come on,
Manhattan,
come on,
to each and every hood, what's happening?
come on,
Every day, heavy rotation. Come with it.
Let me talk.
$100 million. Bitch, we the business. $100 million. Fresh off of my beat.
Jungle Beats, holla at
Look, I be riding through my old hood, but I'm in my new whip. Same old attitude, but I'm on that new shit. They say they gon' ride me, see me never do shit, cause they know that's the reason they gon' end up on the news clip. Audemars on my wrist, bust down. We popping bottles like I scored a winning touchdown. Remember me dead broke, look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to Uptown. Thank God all these bottles I pop, all the paper I've been getting, all these models I pop. I done told 100,000 for my album got dropped, and I'm only 23. I'm the shit, now look at me, look at me. I'm a boss like my nigga Rose. Shorty asked me for a check, I told that bitch like no way, cause I made it from the bottom, it was never no way. And I never had a job, you know I had to sell, yeah. Bitch, I'm a boss, I call a shots. I'm with the murder team, call a cop. We in the building, y'all are not. You showing the paper, you gon' pull a knot. Bitch, I'm a boss, bitch, I'm a boss. I play the shots, I call the calls. We in this bitch, it's going down. Yeah, I'm the king that with my motherfucking crown. Bitch, I'm a boss, bitch, I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss, bitch, I'm a boss. Bitch, I'm a boss, bitch, I'm a boss. I play the shots, I call the calls. Hey.
Got so many shades, they thought I had a lazy eye. Shorty roll me smooth as my Mercedes ride. No love, cry when only babies die. And when I go, that casket better cost 100,000. I pray to God I look my killer in his eyes. Snatch his soul out his shirt, let's take him for that ride. OG is one who's standing on his own feet. Our boss is one who guarantee we gon' meet. Fuck a blog dog, cause one day we gon' meet. I'ma spaz on your ass like I'm on knee. Or a double stack, better nigga double that. Jerry Jones money, nigga, you a running back. Herschel Walker, Bo Jack, Ricky Waters, better run that dope back. Boss, and I put that on my Maybach. 400 down, bitch, you wish you say that.
I'm a boss, bitch, I'm a boss.
I'm a boss.
I play the shots, I call the calls. We in this bitch, it's